All right, what's the use with sama and isip? Let's talk about the differentiation between them and the usage between them, because this can be a little funky. So this one will be relating with either sama or isip. Right? And the main thing to focus here is that isip is an adverb, while sama, as well as the following words that are related to sama or are synonymous with sama, are adjective kind of descriptions, okay? So let's think of isip as something like as a blank, right? As a blank, you can think of it that way. It's more equational rather than descriptional, okay? Whereas sama is the opposite. It's more descriptional, like an adjective versus equational. And the sentences I will have will differentiate them. I talked briefly about this in a video way back when, right? But this one will definitely take a look at it, okay? Other words that can act like sama are kaparehas, parehas, pareho, parehap, susama, amgid, etc. Okay, there's a lot, and this is also evidence that Cebuano is just full of so many synonyms and just full of vocabulary, right? But we can take a look at this adjective-like structure with things like a blank, maora og blank, right? Or the same as, blah, 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 right? And again, this will just be a really quick video just to show you the differences. So the first sentence, or the top one in purple, we have Actriz si Elena sa trabaho, right? Actriz si Elena sa trabaho. Usahay magtrabaho siya isip nurse, isip senador, isip maestra, o isip astronauta gani. Alright. Adunay mga lain klaseng kolor sa mga prutas, right? Susama sa usa ka balangaw sila, di ba? Kaparehas gani ang mga kolor gikan sa optical nga prisma. So for these two sentences, you can see how they're kind of used. For this one, magtrabaho siya isip nurse, isip senador, it's telling you examples of this person is going to work as a nurse, work as a senator, work as a teacher, and even as an astronaut, right? As, it's equational. She is doing something as blah, 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 right? Versus the adjective one, which is descriptional, all right? Susama usaka balangaw, it's like a rainbow, right? They're like a rainbow, right? Kaparehas gani ang mga kolor gikan sa optical nga prisma. Oh, it's the same with the colors that came from an optical prism, right? So this is more descriptional versus equational, all right? Again, really quick video with sama versus isip and their usage, okay?